मी उमर भाई सी फोन किया कब में रहा कब में रहा कर दिया तो मिकल बहुत इजी करे थे यार उन्हें उससे
good run बहुत आला शाबाश
नहीं फ्राइडे मोमो होने से बर्मिंघम से रोटी तो की नमो देखी क्या यासर की तो मैं ऐसा मैंने लोग पूछने दो करे थे
I get too tired if I sit down and sleepy. Well,
Friday easy होना है तमीदा
you will
बाकी यासर है या ये
whose batch should I borrow today?
भाई राती आने से लोग पूछते पहले आने से इधर से इकट्ठा इधर साउथ आता फिर वो एक दोस्त है उन्होंने तो है दूसरा बर्मिंघम जिसका हमारे को 7 सीटर ही है पाकिस्तानी रोटी कौन जैसा तो चल फिर मैं उन्हें भाई और साथ जुम्मे से
anything wrong with me he's like it's fine buddy
So if I break it, he's fine with
yeah
it?
he's fine
When is Azim coming in?
number 8 after you
Oh, okay, maybe not then.
no you can exchange it with somebody else you can get Amir's bag
तो क्या दो एक टेस्ट पे
not a big deal they got the bag
हमारा जो
plenty of time mate
है जो
I can send you guys early but the problem is people are like
Punjab won't be there,
like, why are you not doing it this and that
हाँ
so I'm getting everyone call tag I don't mind betting on the side honestly
I don't mind batting wherever I go, to be honest.
it's just the betting isn't it you'll get the betting anyway is the thing you have to go and do something that's the thing you 7 8 just do your job
I got a half century batting number 11.
lovely
Top scorer was back.
What was your score? And what was the
oi
I think. Something like that.
Jeez, how many did you see?
Not many.
good arm
Didn't Mark Wood top score in the second innings?
Yeah.
who
Mark Wood.
In England game of the week.
Mark Wood
He got like 28 or something.
Actually, is quite.
Oh, the final.
Yeah, the World Test Championship. India are 2
They
down.
haven't really had the guts.
Yeah, but then it rained.
no one is rushing you
No, because it's India. Who cares? No one likes India. It's India. No one likes watching India.
championship final
I like watching India. I like reading India, but you know, I like watching them. It's something
Well,
different.
both the Sharma and Gilad says no, I don't like watching Cardi that. It pisses me off.
I think because of football no one's watching it
And that, yeah, exactly.
They haven't been in the news on it.
Yeah, but also the rain yesterday didn't help me because the weather's just so
Are they in Southampton?
Yeah, so
Rose Bowl?
the score. What was
81 for 2 India batting.
Yeah. England won the game, right? Yeah, actually. Well, that's the thing. They put a women's test match on for the first time in age, and then put the men's test championship in the middle of it. They were hyping up the women's final.
बहुत आला
I didn't get the men's game right. I thought.
yeah I don't understand this final test match thing
I don't think needs it. Test doesn't need it.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, it's the
it's
first
not-
time it's happened, so.
basically India wanted to be number one
Yeah, that's what it is. New Zealand were number one.
and
So.
the money was and
Yeah,
they always
It's
bring
also
fans.
just, and it helps competition as well.
That's it, though.
Maybe.
How they got a run for fair play? Me, it's only second. It's just get run. I've never seen it back like this.
Pujara, 8
Yeah,
off 52.
Yeah, exactly. That's the thing. There's some bats when you test recruit. You can, like when Pan comes in later, you can watch it.
Lefty?
Right hander. He's just trapped. Yeah. But I like watching Pan. Pan's reinventing the game.
He's a legend.
Call it ऐसे होता है जब आप जल्दी नहीं उठते ले जाओ उसको बीच ग्राम को जल्दी नहीं किया कर जल्दी बात
तो यार वो देता है ऐसे मारने वाली बोले
ऊपर आ गई हर बार मारना चाहिए
I mean, 34. We're playing nice today. the pitch like? Low and slow or? Normal rhythm? Carry on. What's that? Three there.
Good innings, mate.
That's one. You're number 8.
And shit bola proud to it.
ऊपर लगी है
I thought it was last 50 feet away. You're looking good, I like it. Go back. उधर यार पता क्या आना? You guys are looking out with us.
Everyone makes mistakes, Yash.
It's fucking poor though, isn't it? Wasting your Saturday.
Hey, Anna say wuzu kari ayin was what say?
पूरा वजू की तो
Anna say na wuzu aisa hai बैठा उसे.
नहीं कुछ नहीं उन्हें संजा कर सो गया
Harvey's
ये कुछ नहीं बैग क्रिस्प ये रहा
Who's batting at the moment in the Tuesday? Harvey and Raz?
Harvey and Raz.
Can I have a quick walk away?
Shot. Nice leg, Shay. Nice shot, mate.
Raz has got 8.
Yeah, Raz is on 8. Harvey's on 40. This is good for Harvey. He hasn't got runs for a while now, so it's good.
Looking good at 42.
Oh, 42. Nice.
I think last few games they've been
Oi,
sort of,
oi,
they haven't played the overs right, so they just need to.
Good shot, Dil bhai.
Yeah, nice deal. Yeah, nice.
चौका हुआ. चौका
What
हुआ.
about it, Yash? What a good shot.
नमाज पढ़ लिया आपने? हाँ. वो उधर नेट्स में जाओ ना. नेट्स में जाना सब वो नीचे भी है ना ड्राई है.
इधर ही पल लेता हूँ इधर स्नो है
Score.
यार ये सारी इधर उधर हो जाए. मैंने अभी नेट्स में पढ़ी है जबरदस्त है उधर.
Is it?
नेट्स के अंदर.
चलो
I'll change the
So Callum, it's sorry, I can't.
अभी तो मैंने जो दिया
Lucas and then that gentleman and then me, right?
I'm not- I'm in
Graham,
two.
Lucas.
Is it Ray?
Graham.
Graham, oh yeah, Graham, Lucas and then.
Asim.
Guys, who's got water here?
Okay, so plenty of people, yeah.
Go on, son.
Yeah, got it. 1 second. Give it to
Who's it got lecture?
लक्ष्य yeah.
I'm got more.
मैं अंदर ही पढ़ लेता हूँ उससे बेहतर.
चलिए. 75-85.
Unless someone go into my car, there's water bottles at the back.
He said black bag.
Yeah, we've got it. Yeah, take it out. No, it's not someone in the car.
Right now. Like it's almost. That was his lecture, yeah? And this is Ziggy told me. Towards the lecture. You'll have a nice little battle with Ziggy though, won't you? Have you been in the runs recently? That's not fair though, that way.
Yeah, so that's what
I think it's since that game where you got caught when you weren't out.
yeah. Yes. That's quite nice of that.
Yeah, you got 21 tweets. And that was the day when it was so good. The outfield was terrible. Giving them 40 and normal double.
Yeah, that was. Yeah, well, that pitch went backwards.
Yeah. Well, that was the supposed caught off the bounce. I did one of those on Sunday for Dave, last day. Caught behind off the bounce. So he's such a good bounce.
Yeah,
He's had a straight drive off the He's trying to.
That's what you want, Ziggy. That's what you want.
So hopefully he gets a game. The last game forwards, yeah. We've got moved down today. So hopefully we get a move. Yes, Harvey! 15 boy. Finally. Yeah, 15. That Harvey's got there. Making hundreds there, boys. He's making so shit recently. You've got nothing. You've got one in there left there. I'm so angry. He went to the big hitter, the one person who took to every game. And then four double pages left in some sort. Paul's on strike, it's not in the course. Paul puts the right. Paul gets out. Paul's on 40. If Paul got the big one, it's like that. Nice. And then obviously me and Cookie played together, both at 0. Cookie got out straight away. So he was great. Yeah. They had their big goals on. So it's a white ball. It wasn't just this. Throw it away. And then I just kept leaving it. But it's just made it start leaving it. So that is 88 off 18. Yeah, Paul started shouting at me, Cam, you can't be leaving it, Cam, you can't be leaving it. But if I can't hit it, I might as well leave it. I can't hit it. Because I had a slip in as well, they were taking the piss. I was number 7 because we had John. No, I was number 6 because we had John, and then Fred was 7 and John was 8, obviously. I said to Fred, you've been going above me all the game, so I thought, let me have a go. 88. After just being done. I said to Fred, you've been going above me all the game, let's go further once. And then, that, we were doing it at the same time. And he's like, one shot, his leg. If Fred was really working his back,
He's very tight, very tight.
yeah, they were watching him after the back. They were watching him.
I think he's got fierce, very
He's got that fight as well, it's what he needs. Nice shot, Lexhay! You don't hear him chirp, but he does chirp from that one. He does attention. So you need to start recognising it, you know what he's doing. He's in the head of the game.
He plays scrum half as well.
Yeah, he's on He's just fierce and he just knows what he knows to tax himself. In rugby, you don't commit. I think that's what it's like, just commit to everything. Whereas I reckon Ollie is someone who can just not commit. Is that a position? No, I think that's been someone else.
There's one there who's 6'5", he's about 20 stone.
Yeah.
Good.
Imagine, obviously, I'm Ricky now, I'm not one of the lads in my year.
Yes, it is.
And if you're playing junior rugby, say you're 13, oh yeah.
And my brother played, I didn't play, my brother played this season, and we watched one game against the team of Thomas, maybe, or they lost like they posted 100. It's more illegal now. Can you go back?
Yeah, nice still. Run them up, boys. Come on, run them up. Yeah, nice.
When they tackle, it's really nice. Yeah. So obviously you can't do that now, but it's that. Yeah, it's that real warm up in the shot.
That was how Sonny Bill would happen. That's because I used to support this rugby league team, the Bulldogs. That was just goes to tackle the shoulder.
I've done a little bit of line out stuff.
Yeah.
Now you can lift it.
Yeah.
So it's just all getting cool.
So what are the line-outs come in? At an age when they've done
They were, so it's facing the other post, so you throw it in, so you throw it into your, you go from there. So it's not, and it's like, initially when it's like a 3 to start, and it's like, it's basically
bit like rugby league.
Yeah, just a
Yeah. It's been in the second round.
What's the score? 94.
94 off 19.
94 off 19, yeah. If I get the 100, I'm batting, I'll be very happy. I'll watch it.
You have to just push the limit.
Yeah, you can try to do a bit.
The little number, when you pull the thing down, you have to push the little number up.
Next over.
Someone will run sawdust in a minute. And then Lucas takes over, can run the sawdust out, so they need some more. Apparently, I don't know how they've used that much money though.
Do they want it now or next?
Next over, that's next over.
At which end? I'll just bring the bag out and make it.
Yeah, so don't take some of it, otherwise you lose it before you get there.
Yeah, we'll try. Just to know your way back home.
No singles, boys! That's it, no singles, boys! You got this, Ed! You know he's 80 something.
Yeah.
We know Brown's he played at Shenley, but yeah, you know he played for the kind of, yeah.
Why is our bowlers?
Nice guy.
Stop to stop.
Yeah, it was.
You do anything wrong, you're in trouble.
Distracting me, naughty!
Noticed our tactics. We're not finished talking with you.
Yeah. Get back. I kept us like, well, yeah. There's no way he's catching that, I'm sorry. The way you guys moving, like, that was a bit slow, I think he's died for like over. They take him once, I think. The only one they take him is me.
The next one's coming!
That was the deal. Was that deal with it now? I think he's done it too much. It's something you say that he's over.
Back on it, guys, back on it, come on!
So I deal with lecture. Which lecture? He's getting close to 40 to 50. He's 40, so? I think he gets between the 40s now. 31, 38.
Yeah, he's having a good one.
I do like watching lecture back though. When he's playing football.
No, like his going forward and going back.
Because his straight drives, some of the best straight drives I've seen. I think it was against these lot last year.
Joe's cover.
It was never against these lot last year. He came in first ball, just put his back over, very straight, and I thought, oh, yeah. And then he let it go. If you ever go over to their ground, it's the same. Yeah, well run!
Can't be out because they need to put a stop on.
You always take it over.
Yeah.
That won't do that anyway.
अभी तो आवाज भी चली
Yeah,
नहीं रिवर्स कर देते हैं.
that's pretty good actually, right?
So let's see, guys, how quick Adil's gonna get a run out done.
better not run next to that, he's on 38.
Let's have a look.
खत्म करनी है मैच
You're not batting it, Asim, so it'll be when you get it. That's when he run you out.
No, I don't listen to him. Last match was the last match that I listened to him.
Honestly, no. Never again, man. Never again.
Well, last week he ran Hallinan out. Did he run you out last week?
No, week before that. 2 weeks before.
Yeah.
But
He ran
no more,
Hallinan.
man. That's it. Finished. It's done. There's no more bullshit.
Come
I
on,
don't
then.
care.
Do the rounds.
I really don't give a fuck now.
Not a lot of exercise today.
Good. Got more to do later as well. You haven't batted yet. Never bowled.
But done the buckets.
All right, man. नहीं डाली।
Okay, the buckets. Okay.
Done the sawdust. Done the umpiring.
आप कैसे आउट हुए?
क्या जो ऊपर आ गया एकदम तो ऊपर चला गया
उसी ने आउट किया?
मैं जिसको चौके मारे उसने
अच्छा, हाँ वही लंबा।
ना दूसरा
उसके साथ एक
अच्छा,
लड़का है जो शेरिंग
उसके चौके मारे? मैं वहाँ पे गया था, वजू करने गया।
3 मारे थे
हाँ
And we had like
हाँ शेयरिंग पे उसका अभी 3 महीने तो 2 महीने में वीज़ा ख़त्म हो रहा है ना तो वो फिर शेयरिंग पे आ रहा है। मेरे सर तूने अगर वीज़ा तूने रिन्यू करवाना है ठीक है तो तू वहाँ से स्पेन से क्यों नहीं होता हुआ था?
how do you play that?
Yeah, 4 bowlers can bowl 8.
How do you? I guess you've got to be really aggressive.
Yeah, well, that's, it was quite. You can't be aggressive. Swinging, swinging. Like,
हाँ ऐसा?
like that. Yeah, she sounded
यार वो कह रही है कि मेरा वो होया है की नाम है? हाँ।
yeah, it's runs.
Okay. She's calling me. Let me speak to her. I'll call you back. Wait.
Say to her you will give her back, you know, her old van, the original one that she was driving.
Which
She
one's
happy
that?
with that? The big,
The one that's parked up.
No, the big Renault in Luton.
Okay, ठीक है. All right, I'll speak to her now. Okay.
Tell her we will give her that one back if she wants.
उसे warning दिया बोलो. For running on the bush. Okay.
What have they done?
मारने वाले को तो मारो भाई
So who would have been bowling before? Is that not the hit?
No, because he was coming back from way back. Later. It was a spin.
हाय हाय ये आउट हो गया
Oh, the hit was the double.
ये डर के खेलते हैं
So they didn't tell us. They tried as far as I saw it.
That must be.
He's got a few nights.
वालेकुम सलाम. क्या हाल चाल है सर? ठीक है.
भाई ठीक है कल बताइए गेम लूटन कल गेम लूटन है
लेटन बजट लम्मा थर्ड 11 वगैरह लगे हैं.
शुक्र मिला सारी गेम कोई नहीं ना
कितनी बैटिंग है जैनी?
34 कितना आउट
That's what he said.
क्या स्कोर है कोई?
100
कितने 26 ओवर?
Oh, no, what was his name? I can't remember.
103 or 104?
Yeah, I'll get up the umpire later. It's just I know it's a different bowler. That's what
ये जबान समझ आती है कौन सी
टर्किश. इतनी पूरी नहीं आती लेकिन.
समझ लेते हैं
So we get to drink some of this too. Oh yeah, might as well do 22. Yeah. Sure, next try. Oh god. They'll do some run to shit like that.
Adil will run 2 of 3.
Adil will run 2 hoops off his own.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, exactly. That's how it
Is
goes.
this all on video?
Yes. So it's all
Is
on
this a
YouTube.
deal?
Yes, Dill's got it.
Adil, stop running.
No, but no, it's last week. Well, literally, yeah.
Are we?
Better than not lying around.
Are we
Do you
going?
want to play? How much cricket do they play? Yeah, no, but like, do you think they would have like a big conference team? It must be very, very close.
ये क्या कर रहा है?
ये विकेट भी ले लो.
There's the sun spot. Yeah, well, they don't have a spot. Play, George. Yeah, that's a reception, isn't it?
पूरा लग रहा है सर्कस है नीचे मैच.
हाँ ऐसे ही.
ये मुझे समझ आई है भाई.
हाँ?
काश ये मुझे समझ आई.
कादेश दोस्त भाई होता है आवे. ये मार यार इसको.
One off it. It's 104 now. Are we doing drinks or not? 22.
24, the next sanitised break.
You said at the next sanitize, so you killed 2 birds. Have we been sanitised? No, yeah, we have. Oh, okay. 6 overs he's been making them. Oh, cool. Yeah, that is really good. Oh, I don't know if you've got something. I'll pull it up.
इसको मैंने बड़ा चलाया है साथ.
अच्छी शॉट्स खेली हैं उसने.
हाँ चलाया है.
आपका कैच ड्रॉप हो गया था ना.
दो. क्योंकि वो उससे पता क्या कर रहा था, आगे कर रहा था ना, तो बड़ा रन ही है.
हमारा 100 हो गया.
100.
Where are you tomorrow? You going Hydra or are you playing for Bachelor?
No,
Bachelor game, is it?
हैदरीज. संडे तो मुझे मज़ा आता है खेलते हुए.
हाँ?
संडे तो मज़ा आता है खेलते हुए.
मैं नहीं संडे लाइक करता क्या.
और उधर वो जो क्रिकेट है ना वो मज़ा आता है. एशियन वाटफोर्ड हैदरीज के साथ मज़ा आता है. मिड वीक अब क्यों नहीं खेलते? इतना मज़ा आता है कसम से. अपनी मर्जी से हम बॉलिंग करते
नहीं. ये जहाँ पे ये होता है ना मुझे
इसके आपको मैं बताया करूँगा.
ऑनेस्टली मुझे क्रिकेट
मुझे देखने दो कब है गेम. मंडे शायद गेम है, मुझे देखने दो. मुझे देखने दो कब. वो सिम खेला, उससे पूछो कितना मज़ा आया. ये मारने वाले बंदे है ना.
I've left. I've left. Dad's doing that.
What's the score, Cal?
When I was 6, never got French. When I was 6.
That's the bounce, Ziggy, too quick!
इसको ठीक है ना जी.
समझ गया ना.
हो गया फर्स्ट क्लास. अभी 22-23 हो गए.
अच्छा मैं सिगरेट जले ना. मैं सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी पी. अभी आ रहा है, कल मेरा दोस्त ने कहा 2 डब्बे मेरे लिए लेके
अभी गाड़ी में पड़े हुए सिगरेट अभी जाके लेके आऊँ.
ये मैं पीता रहूँ इसमें दांत खराब हो जाता है, समझ नहीं आती.
Made in here, mate. Made the wicket.
बैट को लगा उसके.
Wait, I thought he hit back in the
बैट को लगा ना.
आदिल क्या कहते हैं, दिल तो कह रहा था मैं छक्के मारूंगा, अंदर गया पता लग गया होगा दिल को.
लोरा कैसे
नहीं वो पीछे ही है जी है भाई.
दिल लोरा करेगा लोरा.
जब स्कोर मारिए तो अपलोड करिए और सी है.
वो तो इसका नहीं है.
166 आउट हुई है.
60 देनी.
मैं 160 70 स्कोर मोर देन.
नहीं नहीं बैटिंग ठीक है. हमारे बेंच ऊपर लगी है, बूम मारने लगा.
किधर स्कोर मारे?
छोटी कम.
That's only cost 50. It's given 49.
Hold the slower ball, Ziggy.
How much further did it go?
Right again. Idiot.
दिल बारू बोनस आना, मैं अंदर जैसे पता लगी बस.
Can't see the dried out now. No, they're going down to the covers, aren't they? So, yeah. But they're just trying to protect the ball. Oh yeah. Drinks 107.
मारने वाली तो मारो.
मच्छर बहुत है यार.
हाँ हवा का.
यहाँ एक बैटरी पड़ी मेरे बैग में, कभी बंद हुई भाईजान प्लीज
किसी को दे के जाएंगे.
प्लग इट हियर.
We don't know how to use it. बंद कर दे. क्या याद रखी बैटरी चेंज करना.
Oh, get Lucas!
अल्लाह हिदायत दे
उसे दे
आपको
उसे
भाई.
दे उसे दे उसे दे. वो बड़ा जिम्मेदार बंदा है वो तो.
जो जमाना चल रहा है अल्लाह सबको देता है.
उसे दो.
ये बंद जो
ओ भाई उसे दो. वो बड़ा जिम्मेदार बंदा ये है इनको वाला.
कैलम
Yeah.
प्लीज यार ये put it there if it's turned off they will tell you once turned off. है भाईजान आमिर भाई tell him.
What? Well, change the battery.
But these 3 of them or 2 of them
They can't use it. They
don't
can't
want
use
to do it,
camera.
yeah, or they can't use it.
Camera is so
I'm
old. We
scoring.
used to be equipped with mobile phones, mate. You know.
Well, is it just
You know, they-
Mobile phones.
Usually they cry, so one of the guys crying.
how do I take it out? Is it just a?
Use this power bank.
यार ये जल्दी आ
Do
जाओ.
I just put it out?
करता है.
अभी बताओ.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Let's see. Let's see.
Every measure does that.
No, I don't.
I'm making
So how do I get it out?
करते रहे कुछ भी.
Do I just put it out, or is there like a button to do it?
मतलब यही कहेंगे ना फिर बैठ जाओ.
There's a
भाई
thing
होने से बेहतर भाई आ जाओ.
Underneath.
One system's up here.
Yeah, yeah.
ऐसे होता कि
And just recording.
Yeah, yeah. Just let me know if it turns off, yeah. 'cause
I'm not
I'm-
gonna tell you, mate. It's none of
Don't
my
worry,
job.
don't worry about
I'm
them,
way too
man.
bold. I'm not a
Don't worry.
batsman.
Don't worry. I'll sort them out.
Once
no
you
worries.
get 40 later, you'll be like,
11
oh,
ओवर के
what's
बाद
the
दिल भाई
finish
11
now?
ओवर के बाद आके चेक करना है.
नहीं नजर आ रहेगा ना आप लोगों को. देखते रहो. I'm fine. No, that's
ऐसे
okay.
टूटने
Going
वाले
good, mate.
इसने. अच्छा.
Should not drink, man.
Joe, how square leg, man? See anything like that there?
इसके ये कौन से नंबर पे कौन से नंबर नेक्स्ट है 7 नेक्स्ट है.
You got a bigger set.
तो ये सुबह से तू नंबर 7
यार मैं सोचा पैड पैड
कसम से।
बेंच चुप भी करता है 2 मिनट के लिए. तू बंद होना चाहिए तुझे.
6
मैंने तू पैसे ले यहाँ पे झुकते मारा कर तू.
7 5 6
Fucking talking shit whole day. Listen.
चुप हो जा यार.
What number are you going 7 aren't you? So you're next.
You're number 8 भाई
Oh
8.
yeah, shut up for a minute, man. Fuck's
Honestly.
sake.
3 wickets down, so
Yeah.
I'm 2 wickets.
2, so that's fine. I don't need to pad up then. I need to get cigarettes from my car.
ओ यार.
And जो बात उससे कर रहा हूँ तू बीच में बोल.
यार तू कसम
You
खुदा
know
की
you should be a
यार.
comedian, man.
Please.
Honestly.
मैं इधर इसको ऑडियो ना इसमें सिर्फ मैं ऑडियो अपलोड करूंगा इस बार YouTube पे.
तू कर
इसकी
fucking
से
don't
बात
upload
सुना.
your fucking put here nude pictures of you. I don't give a fuck. What's wrong with you, man? What are you telling me? Like what the fuck? You know? मैं उससे बात करूँ ये बीच में बोल रहा हूँ, उससे बात कर रहा हूँ बीच में बोल
और
रहा
भाई एक
उस-
बात, इस पे फिर कोई 2-4 लाइक आ जाएंगे, उस पे कुछ नहीं
हाँ,
आएगा।
हाँ,
नहीं उसमें ज्यादा ही है, बहुत देखने वाले हैं,
बंदे बंदे पे फर्क।
बहुत देखने वाले हैं। मैं तो कह रहा हूँ इसको इजराइल भेजो, मनूस बात तो इजराइल ही तबाह हो जाए।
जब तेज शहीद बैठे हुए ना यहाँ पे, तो हमें वहाँ पे जाने की जरूरत
अभी
नहीं है।
आपके ग्राउंड में गोरी की जरूरत है, आप गोरी ग्राउंड में
हाँ,
चले
वहाँ जाके कुछ कर पहले, देन बोल रहे हैं जो तू आके ठोक 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 ठोक
यार
ठोक
जो
ठोक।
चेंज विद हिम मैन, जा यार फायरिंग करते
I'm not going, I'm firing now.
प्लीज बाहर
I'm
आ
going to
जा।
get cigarettes.
लोगों से
No,
बात
मैं नहीं
कर
जा
करके
रहा,
तू
मैं नहीं
पागल
जा रहा,
हो
मैं
गया
जा ही नहीं रहा। तू जिसको मर्जी भेज, मैं नहीं जा रहा।
यार आमिर भाई जाओ यार,
किधर है?
लेकिन पर जाओ प्लीज
वास्ता खुदा का।
प्लीज यार, बस यू हैव टू
दुनिया जी खरीदे।
वाले
नहीं आमिर भाई यू क्यों,
नहीं जा मैं फिर।
आमिर भाई प्लीज।
और दुनिया जा रहे हैं भाई।
नहीं नहीं दानिल डन
वो हमें मतलब
इतना रमी।
मैं तो चिरान से दूर रहो थोड़ी सी। ओ भाई तू कुछ काम कर जाकर,
You don't have to do anything.
जल्दी इसको भी वापस लेके आ जल्दी।
काम कर इस चक्कर में।
उमर है, ओए उमर उठा ला कंपेयर कल से ना।
ऐ जो फजूल बोलता है आगे, बात किसी से करो बोलता ही है।
गुड लक है दिल भाई।
Whose back can I use today? Yeah, usually. Who's that?
It's new, I haven't filled this back yet.
I don't have to use it.
It's light. It's light. It's really light. It's really light. Yeah, definitely hitting.
Oh, right. No, I won't use this.
Yeah, proper Pakistan like that. Low middle, just swing from the hips.
बहुत बोलता है, फजूल बोलता है, बात किसी से करो बीच में ये बोलता है।
I can do it.
मैं जो लाहौर में स्टेज शो पे चला जाए ना, मैं जो फिर भी कोई पैसे बन जाएंगे।
I don't think the bowling is good enough to do a helicopter shot.
No, it's not good enough. You have to really force it.
Pull it out.
Cramps.
उमर आज सोच के आया था कि
Whose bat is this one?
मैं तो उसे कुछ कहता ही नहीं हूँ,
That's
no,
that's
honestly.
his back.
That's mine, man.
Do you mind if I have a go at it?
Yeah, go for it.
Just in the
Take
nets?
it. Take it, take it.
Yeah, get some cherries in it. Asim can't do that himself.
What, you trying to become Adil now?
If I was to do that, I'd be swearing.
ये? हाँ ये रोका रखते हैं।
I reckon we just leave, just don't change it. I'm not doing it. No, because last time he had to go at me when it was even me. But on a Sunday, he just went mental at me for no
Look,
reason.
look, look. Ooh, call him. Call him, call him, call him. Call him, call him.
Can't. He's doing it mental.
अरे आमिर ये देख, आमिर ये देख। कैमरा हिल रहा है, कैमरा हिल रहा है, कैमरा हिल रहा है। फजूल बोलता है, ये फजूल बोलता है।
मैं कह रहा था तंग करी, मैंने कहा नहीं जरा इतना तो नहीं कर सकता।
नहीं मैं नहीं माइंड करता हूँ।
नहीं नहीं उसको दीद को कह रहा था। आज आप ओपनिंग बॉलिंग करेंगे?
नहीं नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगा।
क्यों? बिल्कुल बैठ जाता है इसका, बैट हो जाता है।
ऑनेस्टली आज मेरा दिल ही नहीं कर रहा।
3-4 पॉइंट्स।
Shot, that's
Shot! Lakshya bhai!
Lovely shot, mate. Lovely shot.
Let me go and get my
Yeah, near. Not yet, though. Okay, he's 4 away at the moment from 60, 50. He's 4 away from 50 now. Yeah, so... Yeah, shot that shape. Yeah, shot.
Sorry?
113. I reckon 200's on the cards actually.
He's on 2 wickets, isn't he? So,
Yeah, exactly. And we got back to the go for it. Yeah.
you told him by the, right, yeah.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. So I didn't think it was quite late, so that's why.
It's the next dead leg.
Yeah. But it's hard. It's being a bit lenient and also strict as well. So he's kept the strike for next time. We came down Wednesday night. I came down for a net. And then morning we came down to pool and then came down to the pub. I fed Harbour Wednesday night. So we came up half an hour. I thought, Jesus Christ, if he's still put. I only got out doing one side out of about 30 balls. I got down myself. No run.
Well, not even that nicked up.
सिगरेट की डब्बी भी खत्म हो गई भाई। 3 रहे पीना है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
पी लो।
नहीं नहीं
एक ले लेना में से उसको नहीं देना। सिगरेट बगैर नहीं मज़ा आता।
ये पीने में मज़ा आता है बट असल में मैं इधर के बहुत कम ही पीता हूँ।
अच्छा? मैं तो बहुत पीता हूँ यार 2 डब्बियाँ दिन में पी जाता हूँ।
अच्छा मुझे ये बात बताएं, ये जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं जिस तरह ये आपके इधर वर्कफुल में मिलते हैं, अगर एक बंदे का नंबर हो पैसे ज़्यादा दे के अगर कोई दूसरा बंदा उसको ले ले, मतलब कि कह रहा हूँ एक 10 बिलियन का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है 5 साल का स्कूल रन है, ठीक है
5 साल की नहीं 3 साल की देते हैं।
लुटन में 5 साल का दिया अभी।
अच्छा।
तो सारी रिक्वायरमेंट आपकी पूरी हो तो आप लोग अपील कर सकते हो।
नहीं हाँ अपील करने का हक होता है आपको,
क्योंकि जो बंदा अगर दूसरा हो
आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो कितने पैसे का लिया है क्या सिस्टम है, बस पैसे पे डिपेंड करता है।
पैसे पे वो जितने पैसे पे लिया है ना जिनको दिया है वो महंगा लिया है उन्होंने।
ये पैसे का
मेरे सिस्टर सबका उधर है ना बेस है ब्रिटानिया कैप।
अच्छा
तो अभी मैं उन्हें मिल रहा था तो अभी उन्होंने अपील की है कि वो सारी रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी थी हर चीज़, तो 250 गाड़ी है उनके पास, पता नहीं मैं कब पूछूंगा आपसे।
ये बड़े चोर हैं। बहन चो चुप नहीं करेगा तू एक मिनट के लिए look guys this guy talks too much Adil all he does is fucking talk all he does is talk look here
Yeah, let's change the ball again. How do I put that?
I think Lukman की बैटिंग आई कि बारिश तो 80%
हाँ
Cheers, Graham. Cheers for that.
जो बॉलिंग चूती है इनकी हाँ अभी पहले ठीक थी अभी
और आज कामयाबी यही बॉलिंग आप देख रहे हैं
नहीं वो तो पढ़ रही हूँ
क्योंकि आउटफील्ड इतनी तेज आना
हाँ।
कि अब जरा एज होगा चौका हो जाएगा
Shot, leg shy.
लक्ष्य भाई लवली लवली
आप कैमरे में नहीं आ रहे
इतने कैमरे में सिर्फ वो साइड आ रही है
It's on 49. It's on 49. I think that's heavy. Shot, Adil.
लवली शॉट में ओए इधर तू पेशाब करके आया था बहन जो
Something along the lines of stinging nettles there, you bastard, or something like that. I'm assuming. I don't speak the language, but it sounded like something like that. Oh, I thought you said stinging nettles, you bastard, or something like that.
No, where you are?
Huh?
Just say something.
Behind you.
Yeah, there's a fucking 6-foot stinging nettles here. What are you going to do? Walk through?
Where the total is.
शॉट नाइस थी हाँ नाइस
Might have gone that far in. It did bounce off the white thing there.
well it depends how far you push it mate
Dirty bastard.
I'm teaching you stuff
I'm 16, I don't need to learn. I've learned already.
you haven't had your sex education class yet
Oh, no.
or did you not get the signatures from father
Let's not go there, let's not go there.
वर्ल्ड में
तेरे
दिल
पीछे
बहुत
बढ़िया लबन नहीं लगा रहा है
जल्दी कर अंपायर
आज मैं भेजना 10 ओवर पूरे खा ले
Hey, don't get him back, you've got good eyes.
पास में अंपायर खड़े होंगे
नहीं मैं नहीं आता यार
ये कवर नहीं आया
नाइस शॉट
मिनिमम 10 ओवर का खेलना 10 ओवर
साइड पे वजह साइड पे
वर्ल्ड में दिल
You want me here or you want me further?
Adil boy nice shot Adil boy lovely shot
He just zoomed in and out of his face. He zoomed in and out.
back close up
Drying up enough to the point where
That's bad.
thanks man
Is it knocked in?
it is but it's not 100 okay, well fucking what's wrong with this thing man
The leg, one of the legs.
That needs tightening.
I know, that one there, you probably need a pinch.
pinch it man you touch it I'm not no.
Oh yeah.
You touch it, man. I'm not even touching this. So this is Lucas touching it at the moment. He's messed around with it.
Yeah, but I'm fixing it.
This is gonna cost you place in the team next week. Watch.
I don't know if I can play next week actually.
Yeah.
last year got it.
Oh, yeah. Lovely run, man. That's it, guys. Ones and twos. We're gonna get a big run here, I think.
27 now.
4 ओवर के बाद मारना शुरू करते हैं क्योंकि आउटफिट बहुत तेज है बैटिंग भी उनकी अच्छी है
Zig, you want to be somewhere else?
उसकी वीडियो आ भी रही है, बहन जो बोलेगा बाद में। आ रही है। That's 50 भाई, 50 दे भाई। लक्ष्य भाई इधर देखो यार, बैट ऊपर करो, बैट ऐसे करो। That's it, better. Lovely. शुक्र है तुझे शर्म आई है थोड़ी अदील।
Lovely, Lakshay, mate. Keep it going. 50 more now. Come on.
Oi, you chill, man.
I don't want to get out. I want to watch you get 100.
Yeah, but don't speak for everyone.
Yeah, but you're not right, Aston. You've got plenty of time.
Hey.
You've got plenty of time.
Nice shot.
वो तो फर्स्ट टीम खेल रही है
हाँ सेकंड
No, you're going to do or you're...
I'm alright.
You sure?
I've got plenty of time.
He's not going to bat.
Exactly, I'm not going to bat. Score. 28.
Like in bad shirt. कोई order जोड़ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yeah, Adil is in now.
No, but what's the order?
Order yes, he's got it in the thing. In the book. Luca is next, and then no, sorry, Zig is next, and then Luca, then me.
I think it'll be a
Luca
bit
के बाद
time for swing.
No, हाँ Luca के बाद.
Yeah, I'm bringing on in on the swing.
Well, get to the last.
लुका पीछे 2-3 टक से बैठा था लुका की या ना पक्के तो
भाईजान मैं कुछ नहीं कहूँगा इस बारे में आप मैं चाहे वो इधर है या नहीं आ रहा हूँ आपका के नहीं
Where's your number 9?
9
Joe. Oh, you got your permanent spot then, yeah?
Yeah, he's my permanent spot.
because there's no one else after
Yeah.
but to be
Listen,
honest
only
he's a
special
good
people go in at
he's a
11,
good
Yeah,
bat
it's fine, because
he's done
most
really
of
well
I
last
asked him most weeks anyway, so it's fine.
last few matches he's done really well what did he say
I ask all you most weeks anyway, don't I?
you score more than me
Yeah, most weeks.
check it check every
Last
week
week, didn't I?
check every week mate go on
He had a good innings the other week.
fucking hell
I
mate
batted for
you're playing in the fourth next bench
Oh, he
what
just held it around.
Okay, last week you got 15. The week before, about I was in bad week.
So they're playing alright or what's happening?
who
Ita?
yeah they're doing alright they're hitting the
What's Lakshay on? He must be on good 40.
he's done 50 just now
Oh, he's just on 50.
Callum,
Yeah.
here's a clue.
Yeah.
There's no one else after you.
Ah, cheers.
Nah, Callum, honestly, I think you're a good bat.
Callum, you're
And
in
I
for the
think
bowling
wrong
anyway,
most of the
innit?
time.
Yeah, is that the bowler? That's what
You're the bowler anyway.
I'm here to bowl and score.
Nelson भाई इन्होंने opening bowler थी बात जाना कुछ आया ही नहीं. No, nothing.
Bullshit.
Nothing.
Opening bowling क्या बंदा सो जा bowling से.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
That's it.
Is that one to...
Get shaven haircut done.
एक है पूरी recording कर रहा फिर.
Easy Lakshay bhai, easy mate.
You might as well go for it. If you're a batter...
What did you do with the videos?
What's that?
If you want to have a bat, let him go for it.
Where's the data protection policy?
Yeah.
How do you put out there?
Yeah, Raz. Razi must have done some. He's 149 now.
He's got 26.
26. That's
26
not bad.
overs.
Majid kudu gaya. Majid Julian.
Majid's going now.
Shot deal!
Should we go to the
Roll
corner?
them up, boys, come on!
Let's go to the corner. And we're going to get some tea, otherwise there's nothing to eat.
Good side.
Saves it.
Good side.
That's going to go.
That's gonna go, yeah.
How many Ziggy we got left, mate? Come on, Ziggy, finish off well, mate.
Who's square leg at the moment? I mean, still there. I don't think... Keep going, Adil, come on. Come on, boys. Keep going. Keep them rolling. 15 overs left.
Yeah. Usually the final 10 is
6, 7 overs. This is the last over, so you're going to bring someone back. Yeah, I think we can.
Nice, Ziggy, nice, Ziggy.
He's going to finish.
Wicket made him, finish off, wicket made him,
plod
boy.
along it for an over for the next 5 overs. Taking it from 50.
Then you can hit 3 rounds.
5 overs after the final. 5 for overs the final 10.
Oh, he's respecting you too quick.
Respect most people. They're getting lucky over there, guys, and grabbing Uzi.
Nice building. Bump him, Ziggy, bump him.
Uzi, Harvey, Three should be enough for the game. With Harvey, he's got 6.
Batsman, he's 80-something years old, man.
Last one, basically, he said 3 guys in back.
Wow.
Yes, we'll give him.
He respects you, Ziggy, he respects you. I think this batsman's like, you know what, let me see you off and see what else comes off.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So he's actually respected. Yeah, very simple.
Oh, he's got a bat on. He's got a bet.
No, battle. Oh, he can't.
So he's probably thinking he's the same kind of one of
Yeah, don't know if I can have our phone.
I think with Ziggy, not last over, you've got your other pile.
Yeah, true, yeah. It's
But
got
you're
4 or
both
5.
stump to stump, so you've got to make the mistake, right? He does. He always does. He looks that way.
ओ उमर 5 ओवर भी ना तू खेलता
So then they went off him.
Yeah.
do is just.
And he's right, just pound him back. If he got a wide one, then obviously hit it, right? Anything stump to stump. It's the first time I've seen him go with it.
You finally warmed up. It's taken what, 28 over? Well, I mean,
Good spell.
a bit of
सियासत तो की भी सही है
तीन
गालियां गुड्डू कट लगे हुए
Joe's away from then he goes down there and goes down.
2 feet!
Oh, I learned that. And then Ricky Baxter came back in match. So me and Ollie back there. And they faced each other for the first time. I thought, anything white.